Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another colorful look. I told you guys I would keep going on with the colorful looks. They really inspire me. I'm having so much fun creating all these different types of colorful looks. But today I wanted to keep it dreamy and soft and not over the top. No liner, no dramatic colors. It's just really, really soft and pretty and perfect for spring and summer, even though we are no longer in spring. We are in full-on summer mode now. But honestly, this look is perfect for any season. As I was applying it, I'm like, wow, I'm getting like winter wonderland vibes. So you can rock this look in any season. And today I was actually inspired by my nails. So I do my nails all the time by myself. So I have a baby blue shade on, and then I have this beautiful topper on by OPI. I'll link what my polishes are and their names and brands and everything down below in the description box. But the topper is so beautiful. It has a beautiful pink reflect, so my nails look so cool. So I was honestly inspired by my nails today, and they match perfectly. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Tarte Cosmetics Tarte Lip Palette, and I'm picking up Wander. First, going in with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this through my crease. I want to keep the look really soft, so I'm not applying anything other than the shadow through my crease. I'm going into L'Oreal Infallible Paints Eyeshadow in BRB Blue, and I'm using this baby blue. So now this is where you're going to have to work quick, so I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And then I'm going to take my Sigma E25 blending brush and start tapping the lid area. And then I'm going to start lightly buffing that through the crease. And you have to work really, really quick, so keep on buffing really quick. And honestly, this process just takes a little bit of time and patience, but you will get it blended out. Just kind of do little circular motions where that harsh line is, and then go back and forth. And then you can apply a little bit more just on the lid, and then I'm going to use my finger to tap that in and get that nice and opaque, and try to have no kind of empty areas. And then I'm going to go back into Wanderer and just apply that again through the crease to kind of help blend everything together and mesh the colors together. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Stellar Collision Eyeshadow Palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is this blue duochrome shade. So I picked this shadow up on my finger, and I'm going to apply that with my finger all over my lid. I just feel like these shadows, they apply really intensely and pick up all that reflect and pigment with my finger better than with a brush. And then just going back to my E25 and lightly blending the crease to help blend out that shimmery shadow. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to do exactly what I just did up top right here on my lid and crease. So first going in with Wanderer from that Tarte Lip Palette on my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush by Sigma. And then applying this close to my lash line because I am going to blend it down, so I don't want it to be too far down when I apply it first. Not like that. And then quickly blending that out with that E54 Medium Sweeper Brush. And then now I'm going to pick up that shadow from that BH Stellar Collision palette and picking that up on my F70 concealer brush and tapping that all over top of this cream shadow on my lower lash line. I'm now picking up this white pink duochrome shadow. So I picked this shadow up on my finger, and I'm just going to tap this right over the center of my lid just to add a nice little bit of dimension. The light will catch that different like shift from blue to pink. It's going to look so cool. To line my waterline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Heartless. And now I'm just going to line my waterline. I feel like this is just going to nicely tie in the entire look. It's like a really pretty pearlescent baby pink. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to the Salon Perfect Extension Seeker Lashes in 661. And that's the eye look done. For my lips, I want to do something a little bit more cool toned and a nude to really showcase the eyes because I'm obsessed with how dreamy they look. They look so pretty. So I'm going to go into this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sweet Tooth. This is one of my favorite shades of a cool tone nude. And that's it. This is the completed look of my baby blue smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm honestly in love with how this look turned out. I was kind of scared of not like putting a liner on or something a little bit more dramatic and darker through my crease, But I love how soft it turned out, but it's still fun and colorful and different, but not over the top dramatic, you know, you feel me? So if you want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!